Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, the nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Review rating is 7.8, which is the very good category one. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bedtime, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. The entry code category 5, category 6, category 7. Nine type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is superb and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Time in this hotel is 3 p.m. Time of this resort is 11 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel along with